video and the best side to Juma. Where some arts? Our mobile construction of Ewa Hasi. It's design we made kind of and new design. Now we know me show me progress of the construction. So because construction of a vertical and a horizontal. Who Mrs. Anima now? But you want to say, you see, we hear from us here that DNA Leo Hano, that dear real I be used for roller doors on gate. Internet construction is in a if you are not money using this year, and that's how we do it. So this is the security post I've shown you before. Security post we here technical and critical knowledge before. Wait me a factor. So yeah. Design. Check it. Maybe check construction details. What check it design down now. So send your extension of beams now. Hoodie cantilever. These kind of technical details are very critical. So when you're professional man, you get in a lot of trouble. So cantilever and gasadia and what you might very technical. So a technical part. This is one you care for there. You get into a lot of trouble. Now this is the back door of the security post. See, I washroom machine on Senate Bay. You can easily access the washroom, and this is a very. I'm showing you the entire place. Okay, so this is the back of the design. If you're back now, so cantilever or so we in a design more. So if you get the right professional, look at the windows that we are using. We casement, okay, awning window. TBSA, a type of window that gives you the best ventilation because of sanity and a sun shadow from the sun, So technically, the mama very detailed way. Air cantilever steps, so steps we cantilever. So these are many factors, Hope what's up? From stairs to windows to doors to every single thing. What's a special design? So interior has it. Oba has here. There is no need for any area here, but look at the perfect design. I see. Vertical and horizontal. It is all working. So when you quality work, this is here. One year is the album say a church every and you will be in a lot of trouble. Work. And check. The amount of technical. Yeah, so I mean, electrical. I don't know if I have to show you this electrical distance. Electrical connection are very critical. And also plumbing. We at least mistake with your plumbing work and your electrical work, you'll be in a lot of trouble. Okay. I'll do a separate video to talk to you more in depth about electrical and plumbing. Now I'm going to send it to you. So, Killer, international ministry, on a design of the channel, the other end of the national ministry. Now, so basically, say construction work here. When you proper craftsman, proper form it will come out good. Even if the design is not that you can get a very good design, but poor construction lemma design at time. and you can get a very not good design, okay, but proper construction. I don't know design no. So right now I'm what security room one. So security room one. Okay. So this is proper organization of spaces. Engine. Send a American. In your construction area, get the professionals to do the work for you and then save yourself from a lot of trouble. Charlie, you say, me say, my mom back to back, okay? Look at this window. My goodness. Hey, Ginasia. Oh, nice. My main show from me. Oh, nice. We have a landscape, we are down. So, a holistic design. I'm sure there was a design. We summer hat. I'm a child down on them, no way, you know. I was swimming pool down on them, no. Oh my goodness, look at this. Hey, the castle was here, chill. I did. So, the kind of duct. That year, we see that area, baby, I will run with plumbing lines, and there be a problem, but won't issues piano. Oh, man for any deal we need construction petty problems, and 1 year be how. So, political architect, may brow all the details. Look. So, now we, oh my goodness, closet was walking closet. So, and as I said, windows need on in windows. We've been very critical. And line works was in the center of a human street, vertical and horizontal. So, into the proper line work with measurement and of course we work here in the center of a human street. I always tell you here, professionals. I'm a my Jumanamo. Yes, I'll bet you Achiano. What you Achiano, so dear, or double, or even triple. So, you know, this is the compound, this is the security house from the top. No design anymore. And I'll buy this is the summer hat, and anyway, on stairs, stairs we are cantilever stairs. Cantilever, Nina, the best swimming pool when you must say. I'm a client, or they are chilling a half. Over windows now, windows need only windows like I told you. Look at the simple wall design. One, so we are simple. We are never be brave. We are now to chop vein and yam also there be very simple design. Simple. We don't overdo anything, no complications or whatsoever. Nothing like that. So we clients, you know, everywhere any cheap. So Tebusia, send the way I mechanic. Mon contact the right professional for your construction work. Right professional today, you are not far from high tech. I want to do political design. So you know, many more best maybe. Why? We are construction 101.